I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious omelet. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 or 3 large eggs, a splash of milk or water, and a little salt and pepper for seasoning. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or oil for the pan. Also, have any favorite fillings like cheese or herbs prepped and ready to go. This ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get those eggs ready. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, then add your tablespoon of milk or water, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together really well until the mixture is a uniform light yellow and looks a bit frothy. Next, place a 6-inch to 8-inch non-stick skillet on your stove over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once your pan is ready, pour the entire egg mixture into the hot skillet. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Tilt the pan to let the uncooked liquid egg flow underneath the cooked portions. Repeat this process a few times until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. Now for the exciting part, the fillings. Sprinkle your chosen ingredients like 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese onto 1/2 of the almost set omelet. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just long enough for the fillings to warm up nicely. Finally, using your spatula, gently fold the omelet in half. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and enjoy it right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.